What's up guys, this is DIY Toilets again, and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog, we're going to replace the brake drum and the brake shoes on Nissan 2010 Versa. This is the new brake drum and that's the new brake shoe. So first thing we gotta do, we gotta take all this spring out, and then this one is like the locker thing, so you're just gonna push it and twist it and take it off. This one too, same thing. And we'll see what we're gonna do. This is my first time I'm replacing the brake drum with this car, and also the brake pad since I bought it. So you can see the brake pad's still good, but it's very small already. And this is the new. Look at the difference. So it's like halfway, but I'm gonna replace it now before it's too late. And also already took off the spring in the bottom, so, and make sure everything. So the reason why I put it this way, I match it like the thing so I don't forget, and then I put it down here. When I took the spring out, I'll put the spring in, and just like that. And when I take the spring out too, the other spring, I put it there. So when I put it back, it's gonna be the exact thing as the original one. All right, let's go. These are the tools I'm gonna need, and also make sure you wear gloves. Okay, so let's start working now. All right, let's start taking the spring out. I'm using the vice grip. It's hard. Hold on, let me put this down here, so I hope I can get it good. Struggle. Alright, now you put these over here like that. So then take this thing off. Actually, this one is here. And the spring is that way. Okay. I'm gonna take the other spring out. Screwdriver. A second. Okay, we took the spring out, put it there. same way it's gonna be. Okay. And next thing we do is take this out. What do I do? Use this plier. Oh no, I'm gonna use this vice grip. It's out already. Just gonna flap this back. Then we're gonna put it back. Alright. Now it's time to put it back. But first we're gonna clean this one first. Okay, we're finished replacing the breakdown brake shoe. Put all the tires back together, and again, this is the first time I did replace brake drum and the brake shoe for this car, Nissan Versa 2010, since I bought it. So well, it gave me a hard time because it's my first time, and especially the first one I did. But the second time it makes more easier because I already know how to take it off, you know, the easy way, because the first was the hard way. So again, this is DIY toilets, and I hope you guys like my video, and thank you for watching. Until then, until my next video. And also, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and like, and hit any comment, if whatever comment you have, guys. If I made a mistake or a wrong way of doing it, please let me know on the comment. And again, God bless and have a good day. DIY Toilets is signing off. Thank you.